Hey everyone, just giving an update on what I have going here for the sifter tool, and that's the name that I'm going to be releasing it under. I just kind of thought it was a little clever, and I have it set up here. That's how you would call a function inside of a package. And I have a table up on GitHub, but this is yet to be posted there. This is just a rundown of the different features that I will be implementing and the ones that I have implemented already. So you can see here I have uh, basically it pulls in all of the data frames that are loaded into the global environment, and you can select them. You can filter by the values inside of a column, and then I'm just going to go ahead and use the diamonds one because that seems to be what everyone does. And go ahead and select the x-axis. I'm going to probably put this as the caret. Y, I'll do the price, and just to make this look pretty, I'm going to make the fill also the price and the size be the color. And then I'm just going to select that to be discrete. And it takes a little bit of time because it's a fairly large data set. But there you go. And then you can go ahead and enlarge it. And I think that looks fairly nice. And then if we want to go ahead and filter down the price, just select a handful of these and then regenerate it, and then it lets you know what it's been filtering by. So this is the diamonds and the price is in these values, color, and yeah, I think that's pretty cool. And then I'll have an import data. I don't have Excel or SPSS running yet, but just name the data frame, choose the file, and then select the delimiter. Yeah, and then, oh yeah, this console pops up. So these are the plots that have been run. So if you wanted to reproduce this exact plot, you could just use this right here. It actually includes the subsetting as well. So we have diamonds, price, in, and then this nice vector right here that's fairly long. And then the titles are broken up with a G sub. I just I set it to 50 characters, but other people will probably want to change that. And you can go ahead and do that when you are putting into your notebook or whatnot. And you can just toggle the console. You can also resize the console, but for some reason this is a little finicky, but it does work. So you can go ahead and do that, and then you can just clear out these filters, run this again, and then it'll generate it how it was before, and then we can go ahead and check the console. And I don't know if did that get appended? That main, oh, there it is right there. So yeah, it's I don't know, it's something. And then I'll have a download observations. This will basically just pull in the subsetted information from what has been filtered. I'm not sure if I should include the grouping or not. That might be useful. These are just kind of random icons that I've been looking to test out. I'm thinking about on these filters here, instead of making these multiple select box, thinking about making it, or you can just drag a slider to include a range, but I'm just kind of mulling over some ideas. And yeah, that's kind of, oh yeah, and the share screen, that'll be the big one. It'll let you send the a URL, and then people can interact with the data and also view exactly how you're interacting with the data, so everything will be reflected. It's going to be powered by NodeJS, so it'll just be a web page hosted somewhere, and then yeah. All right, well, that's my wrap up. Hope y'all liked it.